Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, I thought the market will go sideways. Why? Because the US market is closed. The most of the Asian markets were sideways only. But as soon as the market opened, within the first 15 minutes candle, the markets fell and broke all the previous lows. Previous 3 times Nifty broke 22,800, but in all the 3 times, the lowest traded price was 22,775. It's about just 25 points. But today it fell even more, and Nifty hit a low of 22,725. So when everybody thought, gone, market is gone. And technically, every day the market is breaking previous day's low is actually not good. And you all know as of last Friday, the Nifty was actually down for 8 straight trading days. And today, the people thought the Nifty will be falling for 9th straight day. That's because for most of the time, it was trading in negative. ICICI Bank, it was doing very, very badly. Mahindra and Mahindra launched e-vehicles, electric vehicles. The response was really very good. And the best automobile stock in India is Mahindra and Mahindra. But that everything is priced in already. When the whole market is in such a big trouble, so Mahindra and Mahindra is trading closer to all-time high. So that came under selling pressure. So that has fallen about 5%. A stock like Mahindra and Mahindra falling 5%. ICICI Bank, it fell so much that the Bank Nifty went very close to 48,500. And what has happened later, there was some comment from Finance Minister, that this, she just said, FIIs are booking profits. So if FIIs are booking profits, she must be happy because, when the people book profits, they have to pay capital gain tax. So if they don't book the profits, they're holding on to the stock, the government is not going to get any capital gain tax. Capital gain tax applies only when you sell the shares, right? Not when you are holding the shares, right? So that's a big difference between holding shares and fixed deposit. Fixed deposit, you are holding or not holding every year for that interest, you have to pay tax. But for shares, you pay the tax only when you sell. So when every retail investor is crying, Finance Minister seems to be happy that she is getting a lot of capital gain tax. Then Finance Secretary also said, our market is resilient, right? So maybe, who knows, the people work in government, they live in a different world. So maybe he should explain to us what is the meaning of the word resilience when mid-cap and small-cap indices are falling like 9 pins, like it has already fallen 20%. So why I'm saying this, you should know when a finance minister and finance secretary makes a comment. So that day, if the Nifty closes negative, then, it will be the loss of face for the government. So definitely domestic institution would have stepped in to buy more and more shares in order to make sure that at least today the Nifty is not closing in negative territory. So therefore, after closing negative for 8 trading sessions continuously, so today 9th trading session, Nifty closed positive, that too just because of the last 45 minutes. Right? Until 2:30, I was seeing that Nifty was trading in negative only. So the last 45 minutes, I think the domestic institutions would have pushed the markets higher. Bank Nifty, as usual, was very volatile. So in the morning, it fell 500 points. After that, it shot up 800 points. In one day, it fell 500 points, shooting up 800 points. How people can trade, right? So tomorrow we have to see, because the last 2 Tuesdays, markets were very, very bad. Last to last Thursday, Nifty shot up 400 points. Last to last Tuesday, Nifty shot up 400 points. And last Tuesday, Nifty fell 400 points. And tomorrow, Tuesday, what is going to happen? Is it going to shoot up 400 points? So we do not know. Moreover, today US markets are closed, so there will be no global cues. FIIs have sold for 3,900 crores. So with this selling, FII selling has crossed 3 lakh crore since October. Right? So just 5 months, not even completed. So 3 lakh crore selling. So this is the highest selling, right? Assuming that out of this 3 lakh crore, 1 lakh crore, assuming that 1 lakh crore is their profit, it's a long-term capital gain tax, assuming that half of that is a long-term, half of them is a short-term. So the government is likely to receive 15,000 crore as tax. So whether you and me do not like this fall, but definitely FM likes this fall, right? So one good thing is that the Nifty future closed above 23,000, though Nifty did not close. And second thing, though the swing low is broken, but it closed significantly higher than the lowest point of the day. So these are all some positive news. But I would say we are still not out of trouble. Right? In the last 45 minutes, there was some news that, Singapore telecom company, Singtel, will be selling Bharti Airtel shares. So they are if I'm not wrong, Singapore government and Singtel together, they are the largest investor in Bharti Airtel. I think Singtel alone holding about more than 9% stake in Bharti Airtel. So they are planning to sell close to about 1 billion worth of Singtel shares. So because of that, in the final moments, Mahindra and Mahindra recovered slightly, and ICICI Bank also recovered slightly, but Bharti Airtel fell, so to compensate that. So as I said earlier, it is definitely time to be cautious. Any intraday 200, 300 point move, one can consider selling call options, far away, like 24,000, 25,000, maybe 2 to 3 months away. If any intraday fall of 200, 300 point, then can consider go and selling far out of the put options, like something below 21,500. The 21,400 put option, that's the lowest put option, I think, trading in the month of April. That was already trading around 90 rupees plus. I think yesterday I mentioned that. Today I think it went up to 100 plus. Right? Stay away from trading short-term options. Right? Stay with, like you keep at least another 5 to 6% rise or fall, because the markets have fallen so much. Right? During the next 1 to 2 months, there is no way market will consolidate around this level. Either it will reverse 4-5% or will continue to fall another 4-5%. But which one is going to happen, we do not know. If you know that, we will become multimillionaires, right? So all is not well. Things are not looking good. So as usual, as I told you, no matter what happens, these FIIs are selling. So they want to make our government richer at any cost by paying more and more short-term and long-term capital gain tax. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.